Are you bleeding? We got to stop that right now.
He's the man knows what you need. Water, food, security, greed. No surprise when storms expand. Local prepper is the man.
All right, so how are we going to do that, guys? Today I want to talk about the Ol's modular bandage. This bandage has been forgotten about for some reason. I don't know why. You can actually get it for 1/3 the value of an Israeli bandage. We're going to sit down, we're going to talk about it. I'm going to show you what's inside of this package and how it works. It's pretty neat stuff. So here we go. Oh, what's this? What's this? Can you see your arm? Look at your arm.
It's me.
It's you.
Guess who?
Oh my God.
You'll never guess
oh
who
my
it
God,
is.
you're cut.
What? Ow!
Ow! All right, back
You
over here.
hurt me.
Back over here. So we've got the pull tabs on both the top and the bottom, so we can open it. It's got the little notches, all these things, and we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna rip it open, and there's instructions. Look, there's instructions. If you're a little slow, stop bleeding. You can read the instructions right there on how to use it. Now, some neat things about this bandage. This piece of paper is just a wrapping. Just unwrap it and throw it away. It's completely useless. Start a fire with it later. I don't know, but it's just paper, okay?
Litter.
So what? All right, so the bandage itself is super unique because it has this little cup inside of it. This cup is designed to put pressure specifically on a wound, okay? By the way, you can also detach this and use it for an eye cover if you want to, but that's getting a little Barney. Also, now it has Velcro. It has a Velcro clip right over here on this side that you use for the initial application. And then all you have to do is stick your arm out. All right, so what you want to do is you just take the wound. The cup would be over the top of the wound. The bandage would be right there. And then you simply wrap the Velcro around the edge right there. One time around. This maintains pressure. And then what you want to do is make sure that you pull up and then wrap it around and then pull down and wrap it around. And you're going to do this. Now what you can also do is recognize that there's also these little Velcro strips here that will keep things in place for you so your bandage doesn't go everywhere. You can also use the standard crossover to create more pressure right over the top of the wound. And then we're just going to continue to wrap it around until we run out of it. It's about 3 meters of fabric. And then once we do get it wrapped around, we can actually use these clips. It's really stuck to the Velcro because we had to do this twice. But anyway, you can use these clips right here to hook it into the fabric. Come on now, give me some fabric. There we go. And then you actually have a compression bandage over the wound using that cup for maximum. And then we did a cross over to make sure we had double pressure.
There's no way I'm bleeding now.
I know, right? All right, guys, so here's the deal. Now, this is why they call it a modular bandage. It's actually pretty neat because we went through that whole, hey, let's fix the cut in the arm thing. But what if this is what if there's a hole in the body we got to fill up? Well, all we have to do is turn the sucker over, hang it like this, and then now we have basically 3 yards. Well, that's not it. That's something different. Well, let's talk about that. They provide you with an occlusion barrier in case you have like a hole in the chest or something like that in the pleural cavity that you want to seal up. We're not doing that today, so we're going to just put it in our pocket. But they actually have a 3 yards or 3 meters of sterile gauze that you can use to pack a wound. Don't forget to tie that knot in the end of it. Sweep the wound. Find the source of the bleed and push that knot into it, and then you can just pack it and pack it and pack it and pack it. Like I said, there's 3 yards of it in here. And then if you had to, you could go through that process of putting this pressure bandage right over the top of it if you had to. So this is a very unique and modular device. It's kind of forgotten. Basically, what I'm telling you all this is for is because you can save some money. It's a really good device. It's just like having a super duper Israeli bandage inside your kit and for 1/3 of the value. Okay, so as I showed you, this is a pretty nifty bandage to have in your kit. Now, a couple things. One, It comes in 4-inch and 6-inch. This is the 6-inch version, as we talked about before. There were some complaints about its packaging. As you can see, it's not like super flat. So you can actually buy this in the flat version, but it only comes in the 4-inch. Now, if you want to purchase this, the way I recommend doing it is, I'll leave links in the description. You're adults, spend your money how you want to. I recommend that if you just want to buy the bandage for your kit, buy it on Amazon. Why? Because you can get it there for about $9.99. But I also recommend that you buy it on Refuge Medical, because you can buy it there for $6.99. But they're going to hit you on the shipping, so just buy this as an add-on. If you go to Refuge Medical, buy something else there, add this to your basket, and don't forget to use code LOCALPREPPER, and you'll save some percent or whatever it may be. And oh, by the way, this is an American company. It's made by TACMed Solutions of Anderson, South Carolina.
Yay, South
America!
Carolina!
I know, right? Okay, hopefully this video was useful. Stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.
When central power rules the game, when thoughts control in freedom's name, when the governed lose to government might, tell me who's got the wrong kind of right.